So guys, welcome back to the channel. Touching down from Chiang Mai city in northern Thailand. An overcast, cool Chiang Mai. We're going to see another room. So we are down in the Mae Hia area now, just outside the Mae Hia Big C. And we're going to take this side road down to Pa Daet area, which is a little bit closer to the city. 10-15 minutes out. Yeah, I may be moving rooms again, so I'm going to look at some places. You've already seen a few. I've filmed a few already, so if you're seeing this vlog, then I don't like this room and I'm going to show it to you guys. It's prone to flooding, but I'm going to go and have a look. I know the areas, I know what parts of each will flood, so I will be able to see for myself. Let's get down there and check this place out. Right, so we have arrived, and I have been down here before, and they didn't have a room available when I came here last time, but today I've even spoke to her on Facebook Messenger and there's a room available and she's expecting me. But yeah, it's very close to the Ping River that already has been flooding here. But we're going to go and take a look, man, because I like the area. And it is a little bit back from the main road here. So this is it. It's called, I think it's pronounced Fusaran Apartments. It looks a nice place. Yeah, so this is it. So it's just a quiet, well, quietish area outside of the city in the Pa Daet area, and I'll just show you down here. I came here about two years ago looking for a room, but they was all sold out, so the lady is expecting me. Let's go and have a look, shall we? It looks cool. I remember I liked it last time as well. So you got the reception down here. So I'm just going to ask the lady a minute. It looks nice, doesn't it? The lady's just getting the key, getting the room ready. I like it down here. You are 5 or 10 minutes on a bike. Hello, how are you?
You want look the room?
Yes, please. You just have one size or four different size? No elevator, no?
1 year.
1 year.
1 year for rent.
1 year for rent. Okay guys, so we're gonna have a look here a minute. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so here you go. 4,100 a month. And you've got your balcony out here. Looks quiet, no noisy. It's quiet here. Okay, thank you. Ah, yeah, quiet. Ah, yeah, looks quiet. You've got your sink here as well, so small sink where you could do some dishes or something, and place here to put some plates, some cutlery. Okay, miss. And yeah, you've got your sofa, a place where you could do some work, and the bathroom. Yeah, a little bit rough. You know, clean it up. It's not the worst in the world. 4,100, so it's a cheap price, guys. And you've got your place here with the TV and the wardrobe and the chair. Do the mattress test. Ah, it's a good one. And the fridge is included too, in the TV. Have Wi-Fi here? Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Okay, free Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Okay. Quiet. I just want to see if she's got an end room. This is one from the end. It's a cleaning room. Clean room, that would be cool. It's a cleaning room. So there wouldn't be no one that way.
Side and watching.
Washing machine right near the room. And you could wash it. You could dry it here. Man. And got a toilet up here as well. I'd say the plane goes over. Have plane here? Yeah. What about Nam? Water.
Yes, the rain.
Flood.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's your washing. 10-20 baht. Got a washing machine right here. Don't even have to go out. You can dry it here. The corridor and the outside look really good. 3rd floor, no elevator, but it's not too difficult. It's nice and wide. Yeah, I don't do a 1-year contract anywhere, so I asked if they could do like 3 or 6 month. Then you're lowering your risk a little bit more. See, it floods down here, look. So it's quite a nice building, man. It's not a bad building at all, is it? 4,100 pounds a month. Free Wi-Fi, free fridge, free TV, the electric 7 baht unit, 100 baht. Water down this quiet little road, look. So yeah, you can see where it has flooded down here as well. So you can park your bike in here as well. That's what I need for when I go on my trips. Like, and leave the bike home, I need a proper cover so that you can keep your bike in out of the rain and the sunshine, which is, you definitely need that. They've even got rooms down, you wouldn't want to live down there though, would you, with flooding? So at least on level 3 my room would be okay. And look how close that apartment is to one of my favourite restaurants. This is Dubai Chicken, Pa Daet, and I've just been in there and had my Dubai chicken again, like I do all the time. One of the best restaurants, chicken restaurants in all the city. So the room is just 2 minutes down here, mate. Look how black the sky's looking. And something I just realised, right, that room was right on the end near the washing machines, right? Why did somebody move out of that room as well? There's going to be people out there doing washing all day long and the walls are paper thin, so I'm going to give that one a miss. But I'm not going to stand here and slag the place. It's a great deal, man. Last year was a freak flood, and it's not like that every year, mate. It's not going to flood like that all the time. Famous last words. But for £100, I had to think about it. But yeah, the washing machine's right outside the room. It sounds good, but I'm going to give it a miss. I would say it would be noisy there, and it could flood. And just the location is absolutely perfect for me. But I would be putting on weight in Dubai nearly every day. 2 minutes around the corner. The airport 2 minutes up here as well, and you're basically right in the city, but you're out of the city. So I still might give this a little bit of thought, but if you see in the vlog, yeah, I've not took it. I will leave all the info down below. I've had my 60 baht Hoxit meal in Dubai Chicken. I'm meant to be going back to the gym today. I've not been for 4 days, but it looks like that's going to be off the agenda today. We'll do it tomorrow, man. We'll do it tomorrow. I'm going to go and get a green tea. Hope you're all safe and sound as always. All the info down in the description. Take it easy, man. Take it easy.